Le butter is the most exquisite French ingredient in the world, and this is the most perfect example. Wait a minute, that's not perfect. That's got a hole in it. Hey, guess what? Life's not perfect either, so let's get over that hump. We're going to try and master the art of butter making, and not only that, we're going to make a total of 4 dairy products, which are the basic ingredients in any cooking. The only ingredient required is heavy cream. You need about 16 ounces or 450 grams for each item. This means if you're trying to make butter, you need about 16 ounces of heavy cream. Before we get started, consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. I'm going to show you how to make whipped cream, butter, and buttermilk, and towards the end, we're going to use that butter to make ghee or clarified butter. We're going to start off by putting our heavy cream into a mixer and then start the mixing process. It all comes down to timing. You can use this chart as a guideline on which item will form when. When whipping heavy cream in the first 2 to 3 minutes, whipped cream will form. Next, butter and buttermilk will form in 7 to 8 minutes. And then the clarified butter is a separate process which involves boiling the butter. And I'll show you that towards the end of the video, or you could skip now. So my whipped cream formed around the 3-minute mark. There are only 2 ways you can mess this up: by mixing the whipped cream too little or too much. Using 16 ounces of heavy cream, we should be able to make around 2 to 3 cups of whipped cream. Here's how mine look like, nice and fluffy. At this point, we're done making the whipped cream. Next, we're going to try and make the butter. To make butter, we're going to keep mixing this until the butter separates from buttermilk. This should take anywhere from 7 to 8 minutes from start to finish. I would recommend putting a cloth on top of your mixer or get one of those splash guards from Amazon, because it would get pretty messy if you don't have this covered. At this point, your butter should have been separated from the buttermilk. We're going to go ahead and pour the buttermilk in a separate glass and continue to focus on our butter. 16 ounces of heavy cream makes about 1 cup of butter and 1 cup of buttermilk. Next, we're going to have to wash our butter with pure ice cold water. The purpose is to remove any remaining buttermilk from butter. You're going to continue to do that until your water turns clear. In my case, I had to repeat this process 4 times until my water turned clear. I think when making butter, this is the most critical step. It's a make it or break it kind of deal. Doing this step right will make your butter last longer. Finally, we're ready to mold our butter. You could use any kind of container. I happen to have this one, so I'm just going to stick that butter in there. Also remember to remove any excess water when molding your butter. Finally, go ahead and pop it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours or until it solidifies. After 1 to 2 hours, your butter should look something like this. You should have about 1 cup of butter, which is also same as 2 sticks of butter. Finally, this is the last step, making the clarified butter that we've all been waiting for. To make clarified butter, we're going to use about 1 cup of butter. It's the same butter that I've made in the last step. We're going to melt the butter over low heat for 10 to 15 minutes or until it's melted. So we're going to wait for our butter to boil. In the meantime, you can subscribe to my channel and like this video if you already haven't. I'm going to let you listen in on how the butter crackles when ghee is being formed. You'll know when ghee or clarified butter is ready because orange spots will start forming. At this point, you want to turn off the heat and add a splash of water. This will stop the ghee from overcooking. I like my ghee to be brown and nutty in flavor. It really gives a nice aroma. Once you're done, you could pour it in a storing container and store this easily for up to 1 to 2 months. Also, using 1 cup of butter, you should be able to make about 1 cup of clarified butter or ghee. Also, quick note, remember to grab a spoon and remove any froth. And that's how easy it is to make 4 things out of heavy cream. I hope you try it out and enjoy this recipe as it's very easy to make. Finally, let me know what you think of this video. What did you think of this recipe? Leave any comments or feedback down below. Also, let me know how many times I said butter in this video. I probably said it a lot of times. Also, you can comment on what recipe you want to see next down below.